Are you ready to explore one of Texas's most elegant homes? Welcome to Highland Homes at Santa Rita Ranch. Come on in. Welcome to Highland Homes, Plan 222. Now this home is amazing. There's 2 master bedrooms in here. There's 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and wait till you see the master bathroom in this home. Let's go inside and take a look. Beautiful vaulted ceilings in this house, 25 foot from floor to ceiling. This home features hardwood floors throughout. And Highland Homes is one of our local Texas builders, 30 years in construction. They build some of the highest quality luxury homes here at Santa Rita Ranch. Immediately when you walk into this house to your left is our office. Really good natural light in all the rooms. And this Plan 222 has a wonderful setup for family with a guest bedroom and a game room immediately when you walk in. So here is your game room. Also could be a media room for you or your family. And then we have our first guest bedroom with its own full bathroom. Walking through the foyer, we have our formal dining room right here to your right. Imagine having a beautiful dinner. You have a nice little wine bar here with the wine cooler. Chilled to perfection. Now, we are at Highland Homes in Santa Rita Ranch, master plan community, rated #1 community for 7 years in a row, and it's just 45 minutes northwest of Austin. Also, check out the card on our channel for the community tour of Santa Rita Ranch. And now let's go see some of the inventory on the ground from Highland Homes. We have 2 70-foot lots and 1 90-foot lot available here at Santa Rita. Let's go take a look. Here we are at Highland Homes at Santa Rita Ranch. We have 3 inventory homes quickly to take a look at. 40-foot lots starting at $440, 60-foot lots starting at $660, and 90-foot lots starting at $800,000. Let's go inside and take a look. And now we're back for the rest of the home tour. Here we have the living room. Look at these beautiful sliding glass doors. Natural light, floor to ceiling. Modern open floor plan. A 10-foot granite island here in your kitchen. Highland Homes is known for their kitchen and bathrooms. Very luxurious. Custom farmhouse ceramic sink. Frigidaire professional stainless steel appliances, 6 gas burner stove, oven and microwave, all stainless steel. Plenty of cabinet space for your whole family for entertaining and cooking. Right next to your kitchen is our second dining room right here. This is a little breakfast area for your morning meals, hanging out with the family, enjoying the morning. Now let's go see the master bedroom. You're gonna love the master bathroom. And on the way, let's go look at the back patio with these amazing natural light coming through. This is a fully extended covered back patio with custom tile and patio furniture. This is the model home here at Santa Rita Ranch. So they always deck these out and make them just stunning. You can put your own kitchen back here, your grill, enjoy outdoor barbecue, brunch, and family entertainment in the backyard. Very nice addition to this Highland Homes here at Santa Rita. Now let's go see the master bedroom and bathroom. We have beautiful 10-foot ceilings in this master bedroom. This is a nice custom addition of bay windows for extra seating. All hardwood floors, very spacious. And now our master bath. Beautiful white and gray custom tile accents. A 5-foot garden tub, a walk-in shower with custom marble-like tile from floor to ceiling. His and hers sinks on both sides. Look at this beautiful marble. This is a king and queen's bathroom. Very, very nice. The master bath opens up into your master closet. And love the architectural design of the closet connecting to your washroom for easy laundry. And the laundry room connects to your formal dining room right here. Let's go upstairs and see the second story. We've got 2 bedrooms and a game room up there. Here we are on the second floor. Now there's all hardwood floors on the second floor. If you're looking for a home in and around the Austin area, click that link below this video and we'd be happy to help you. This is your game room area overlooking the first floor. So you have a really nice flow of energy from the front to the back with this second floor balcony. Guest bathroom right here next to your game room. A little nice cubby hole here for relaxation and fun. This plan is very unique because we have 2 master bedrooms, one downstairs and one upstairs, like a generational suite for the in-laws, or if members of your family need a little extra love and attention. This is our second master upstairs in this plan 222 from Highland Homes. Very, very spacious. Your guest closet in the second master. And our second master bathroom upstairs. The beautiful tile and granite countertops. I love the look of the stone in this bathroom with a nice walk-in shower. Is Highland Homes beautiful or what? Such beautiful work done here. Now let's go see the fourth and final bedroom and bathroom. We have the fourth guest bathroom here. And final guest bathroom. Greetings from the Austin City Brothers. Thank you for watching our latest video.
You may be wondering, what's it like to work with our team to help you in your home buying journey? Here, we're going to take you through the 7-step process that we have designed to help you succeed in finding the perfect home.
So let's dive in. Step 1 is the initial consultation. Before we start your home search, we take you through a Zoom call where we get to know each other. This is where we do a deep dive into your current situation, your desires, and your needs for your home and family. We want to nail down the top 4 to 5 criteria, and then through our geographic competence, help you find the right neighborhoods, the best schools, and lifestyle that matches all of your needs.
Next step is our buyer representation agreement. If we are a good fit and we decide to work with each other, we will then send you a buyer's representation agreement to solidify our relationship for providing expert service to help you secure the right home.
Now, step 3 is the right financing. Now, listen very carefully here because you might be wondering about financing in your home buying journey. We have expert loan officers with decades of experience and an assortment of loan products, including jumbo loans from private hedge funds. A loan from a private bank can get your interest rate down a full 1% below the competition, saving you around $1,000 per month in your monthly mortgage and cutting out the middleman. So if you're looking for any type of loan product, especially a jumbo loan, reach out to us.
Next step is the home tours. This is where we're going to explore the best neighborhoods that match the lifestyle and the top 5 criteria we have discovered earlier in our initial consultation. This step is all about finding the perfect fit.
Step 5 is the contract and negotiation. Once we've found that perfect home for you, we get to work negotiating the best terms for you, backed by a thorough comparative market analysis. We don't want you to pay too much for your home. Our goal is to ensure you get the most value possible and that you don't overpay.
Step number 6 is inspections and final negotiations. After the contract is signed, it's time to send out an inspector. If there are any costly damages to the home that needs to be fixed before you move in, this is where we want to start the second round of negotiations to make sure that every term is right for you.
We are master negotiators and we love that part of the transaction. Now, step 7 is closing day. This is where you celebrate. We make the closing day as smooth as possible by staying on top of all the communications to ensure all the terms of the contract are met for you and your family.
In addition, we have expert moving services, utility setup, and even a whole house water filtration system on top of Vastu enhancement if that is one of the services that you are looking for.
If you're interested in Vastu, check out the card right here in our videos so you can learn more about Vastu enhancements of your home. We are here at the Austin City Brothers to make your move to Austin a breeze.
Thank you for watching this video. We're looking forward to work with you very soon.
Click that link below the video with our link tree to schedule your no obligation consultation call today.